Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever and a day and a million years. I know, I'm sorry, I apologize, but YouTube is not my, how do I phrase this, it's not my strong subject. So I just upload here and there. It just takes me so long to edit and I talk so much, so yeah, about that. So you can follow me on my Instagram where I post pictures and mini clips and things like that of my looks. And yeah, so
up with it, girl, rock with it, girl, show them it, girl, bang bang, bounce with it, girl.
Let's go ahead with the video. I'm sure you guys have seen this palette everywhere. I'm so excited. When I saw this palette online on Instagram, actually, I was like, I'm gonna get this because I'm a kid at heart. So I was like, yes, I have to have it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I ordered it without watching any reviews, without looking at any pictures. I literally just ordered it because I wanted to make a review and I wanted to talk about it, and because I wanted to. So anyways, this is the box that it comes in. This is huge, by the way. It was like humongous. I definitely paid for this my own money. The palette retails for $30, and with the shipping and tax and everything, it came to like $42. It was like $2 something for the tax, and then the shipping was like another $6 something. So with that being said, I haven't swatched any of the colors. I haven't done anything yet. So we're going to do a look. And who's texting me? So it is called Box of Crayons by the Crayon Case. And that's the name of the company, I believe. I have them on Instagram, and that's the name that they have, So it is called Eyeshadow Palette. Like eye, not like eyes. Okay, got it. So I thought that was pretty cool. Eyeshadow. And the coolest thing is that they also have like brushes, and the handles look like pencils, like number 2 pencils. It is like the coolest thing ever. Like, to me, that is like mind blown when I saw that. So I did not get the brushes because by the time I saw them, I had already ordered the palette, and I was just like, well, let me just see what the palette's about first, and then I might get the brushes. They have like crayons here, the picture, box of crayons, the same thing. In the back, it has the Crayon Case, their logo, and their website, so you can purchase this at thecrayoncase.com. And this is what the palette looks like. It has a huge mirror. It is like, you're gonna see your soul there, girl. So it does have like little scent of like paint or glue or something like that, something along the lines. It has Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette here as well, and then the colors, they look like a crayon case, which is the coolest thing. So they're named after crayons, of course. It's just regular blue, orange, magenta, white, violet, green, red, baby blue, silver, gold, purple, yellow, black, pink, deep plum, lime green, tan, and brown. I really love this lime green just chilling here. It's just like, with the neutral tones, and it's just like boom. These colors here are like that shimmery shade. These are matte. This one has a little shimmer, but yeah, the lime green is also matte, so that's pretty cool. I want to dip into these. I have like so many ideas of looks that I want to create with this palette, so we're definitely gonna get it going. I'm gonna swatch them as well for you guys so you can see at least how they swatch on the arm, but you also can't really go by the swatches because you have to wait until you see what the eyeshadow does when you blend it, and also when you blend it together with another color. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started on the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, this little tiny one that I got somewhere. So we're just gonna go ahead and prime both the lids, and I might not do such a crazy look on camera, just for the purpose of the video, because I don't want to make it too long, because that's usually my problem, making my videos super long and then I have to edit them like crazy, and then, you know, then I just give up in life. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a really fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip into tan right here, and then just, you know, use that on my crease and try to use this as a transition color. I'm definitely gonna try to do something colorful. I mean, it is the box of crayons and you gotta use colors. So I really like the color selection, everything that they did, all the colors that they picked out. I really like it. So far, this brown is blending pretty good. There's no fallout whatsoever. It's literally just like freaking blending like butter right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just basically work this all over the eye, because I want a smooth transition to whatever color I choose, and this, it's perfect. So this is a perfect tan, you know, like the perfect brown color to blend anything with. Guys, you can see what I mean. There's no fallout. Look at that. Look. And then you see how much product is on the brush. So I'm gonna go and start with the colors. I'm going to use the yellow, and I am going to use that on. Okay, this one does have a little fallout, so you see here, you know, I mean, it has way more than the tan one. So I'm gonna work that onto my crease right here. I'm just gonna work that on the crease and around the eye. Barely any fallout with this color. Go in with a more dense brush, and I felt like that one was too fluffy. So this is a Sigma tapered blending brush. So we're gonna go ahead and use the baby blue. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. Oh my god, it's so buttery. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with my fingertips and just stab it right there in the middle. This is looking so good. I'm gonna take that same purple brush and I'm just gonna intensify just a little bit. Damn, this is so pigmented.
Yeah. See you out there, Molly. See you out there, Moana. See up there.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Overall, I am going to say I really like this palette. I really enjoy playing with it. I feel like you could get so many looks out of just this one palette. It has everything you can basically think of, all the colors, so you really can't go wrong with it. Also, the pan sizes make the money so worth it. You get a good amount of product. And not that much fallout, so you know that it's gonna last you a long time. I'm really gonna continue doing more looks with this palette because I really want to dip into the other colors, the silver, that white, this orange, pink and stuff like that, and definitely the lime green. I'm gonna be making more looks on my Instagram, and I really hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you would like to get this, who knows. Like I said, I'm gonna continue to look, so if you guys want to see more, make sure to follow me on Instagram at iliobsessed1, which is the same as my YouTube channel. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time.